With our app, you can save and export measurements. However, sometimes you need more advanced access than this. For instance, if you would like to perform the export in an automated way. For this reason, we have created a Data Access API, Application Programming Interface. It allows you to access data using scripts and obtain detailed insights into your processes. The documentation and source code examples can be found in our GitLab repository. Step 1. Obtain API credentials. Please open our app, then click on My Account. Press the Generate API Key button and then use the yellow copy buttons to copy the credentials from the app. Anyone with access to your user ID and API key will have access to your data, so please keep it secure. Step 2. Try out API demo. Please visit the link below. Then, enter the user ID and API key you have obtained from the app into the interface. Now you should be able to perform various actions, such as retrieve the collections and data. In each case, the example will generate a request URL, such as the URL below. This URL is relatively human-readable and contains important instructions for the API. Address of the server, the API function to call, the function parameters, and your credentials. This URL contains the various parameters which can be used to request specific types of data. The full documentation can be accessed with the link below. Step 3. Next steps. How can you use the API? Here are a few ideas. You can use the getData function to export your data in a CSV or JSON format. The data in this format can be then analyzed in Excel or all kinds of business intelligence software, such as Tableau. The link the example makes for you is permanent, meaning you can visit it every time you would like your data exported. You can also look at our Python and JavaScript examples for how to use the API directly in your scripts. If you have any questions, please do get in touch.